Now I am directly coming to the topic. The Olympic Games is the world's foremost sports competition featuring summer and winter sports in which athletes from all over the world participate in a variety of competitions. In this essay, Jace Bones shares his experiences of 1936 Summer Olympics held in Berlin when patriotic feelings were running high in Germany. However, Owens didn't bother as he trusted in his abilities. He tells his stunning story about forging a lasting friendship with a German, putting differences aside for the love of the games. So, what is there in the topic? My greatest Olympic prize. Actually, it is completely about Olympic game, and we know foremost. तुम समस्ते जानी द मीनिंग ऑफ फॉरमोस्ट हूँ सबुठार मुख्य बा सबुठार बड़ ग्रेटेस्ट गेम ग्रेटेस्ट इवेंट गोटे वर्ल्ड जोटा को कहुए माई बा ओलंपिक गेम एंड इट वाज हेल्ड इन जर्मनी इन द ईयर 1936 1936 मसीह जर्मान बर्लिन सहर में होता एंड द राइटर टुक पार्ट इन दैट ओलंपिक गेम एज एन athlete. There are two types of Olympic, Summer Olympics and another is a Winter Olympic. And the main event is known as Summer Olympic. ସବୁଠାରୁ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ସମର ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦ ପର୍ସନ୍ ଜେସ୍ ଓନ୍ସ ଟୁକ୍ ପାର୍ଟ ଦେର୍ ଡ୍ୟୁରିଂ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦ ପାଟ୍ରୋଟିକ୍ ଥିମ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ୱାଜ୍ ରନିଂ ହାଇ ଇନ୍ ଜର୍ମାନୀ ଜର୍ମାନୀରେ ଦେଶାତ୍ମକ ବୋଧକ ବା ଦେଶ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ମାତୃ ପାଇଁ ସେବା କରିବା ସେସବୁ ମନୋଭାବ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ବହୁତ ହାଇ ଥିଲା ସମସ୍ତେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ ଦେଶକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗର୍ବିତ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସୋ ଦେର୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଅଲସୋ ଏନ୍ ଆଥଲେଟ୍ ସେଠି ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଆଥଲେଟ୍ ଥିଲେ ଜର୍ମାନରୁ ଦିସ୍ ପର୍ସନ୍ ଜେସ୍ ୱାନ୍ସ एज एन अमेरिकन athlete and he was specialized in sprint on आम कोईपर लॉन्ग जंप रे से स्पेशलाइज थिले आउ गोटे जड़े आथलेट थिले एंड ही बिलोंग टू जर्मन से होचंती किए वी विल कम टू नो इन द टॉपिक इट इज मेंशनड सो एज ही ट्रस्टेड इन हिज एबिलिटीज समटाइम्स द पर्सन जेस वोन्स वाज गेटिंग ओरिड केतबल से ओरिड हो जाउतले and he was facing difficulties whether he could win the medal for his country America or not. तो सही समय किसी गोटे जिनस घटला जहाँद्वारा ही was able to win the medals for his country and he made his country proud later on. तापर से गर्वित करते तांकर देश को and the same thing was there in Berlin. Everybody wanted to win the medal for their country but it was not that much simpler task. The competition was high. सेतेबेले competition बा प्रतियोगिता बहुत हाई रहउतला से कथा कहुई सो आई एम कमिंग टू द टेक्स्ट सो व्हाट इज द sentences or what are the sentences in the text the story I am telling you it was the summer of 1936 ताथिला 1936 मसीह गोटे ग्रीष्म दिन द ओलंपिक गेम्स वर बीइंग हेल्ड इन बर्लिन द कैपिटल ऑफ जर्मनी जर्मन रो कैपिटल होची बर्लिन आ सही सहर रे अनुष्ठित होबाकू जाउतला कोन the Olympic Games. It was or it is a big event in the world. पृथ्वीर सबुठार बड़ इवेंट होची the Olympic. Because Adolf Hitler childishly insisted that his performance or his performers were member of a master race. Nationalistic feelings were at an all-time high. That means different athletes were under the care of Adolf Hitler and Adolf Hitler he was the ruler at that time or during the 1936 Olympic the person Adolf Hitler was the ruler of Germany and he was forcing his people or athletes to win the medal for his country. So it was started by the person Adolf Hitler. He childishly insisted that his performers were member of master race. That means the meaning of master race एठी कुआ जाय superior to all other races माने तांकर दल बा तांकर पार्टी सब बेले आग्रे रहिबार दरकार आ तांकर दल आगु को जीवा दरकार and they should only win the medal for their country. That is what the person Adolf Hitler wanted and he was forcing people that the members or the competitors are bound to win the medal for their country. एभला से जिनस गोटे से आरंभ करथिले superior to all other races अन्य मानक अपेक्षा अधिका शक्तिशाली हेबाकू कहूला आउ एटा गोटे थिला तांकर पय एग्जांपल दैट हाउ दे कुड और द नाजी पार्टी would be able or could be able to dominate others अन्य मानक किपरि डोमिनेट करि परिबो से अनुसार एटा करा जायथिला ओलंपिक गेम्स and nationalistic feelings were at an all time high and we know everybody wants to serve their country and they all want to make the country proud तांकर समस्तंकर कंट्री को प्राउड करिया पे समस्त चाहती so it was there in Germany also I told you about the ruler Adolf Hitler थे सेठाकार शासक and name of his party was Nazi party गोटे एकछत्रवाद शासक भाव परिचित थे Adolf Hitler you might have read in history also so we are coming to the next paragraph I was not too worried about all this I trained sweated and disciplined myself for 6 years so the writer Jess Owens had said his experience here that the person Jess Owens was not too much worried about the ruler and the event को नहीं करी और से ruler बा शासक Adolf Hitler को नहीं कि से एते worried नथिले because he practiced a lot at his home ताकर घरे से बहुत practice करथिले बा in his country he practiced a lot when he was a student from there he had started his training it was I had trained sweated and disciplined myself for 6 years sweated कहले झाड़ बुहाइबा sweat ru sweated is the past tense of sweat is sweated and disciplined myself and he also had practiced his discipline and discipline is much needed for an athlete it should be maintained there in the event or in the game and that also he learned or he had learned se jinso se sikithile aguru so that is why he was not too much worried and he had practiced for 6 years 6 वर्ष धरी से लगातार प्रैक्टिस करथिले to take part in the Olympic which was held in the year 1936 in Berlin एतला तांकर स्वप्न ओलंपिक रे भाग नेबा आ सेटारे पदक जितिबा ता पय से बहुत प्रैक्टिस करथिले झाड़ बुइथिले आ डिसिप्लिन शिखिथिले while I was going over on the boat all I could think about was taking home 1 or 2 of those gold medals and when he was coming on boat to take part in the Berlin Olympic he thought himself that he would take 1 or 2 these gold medals गोटे किंबा दुईटा गोल्ड मेडल से जमती हेले भी नहीं कर जुए बोली कर से भाविथिले and it was his confidence it shows or it indicates his confidence that he was bound to win 2 medals or 1 medal for his country and when he thought it while he was coming on the boat to Berlin I had my eye especially on the long jump as I told you from the beginning mo akuru koi astuchi he was specialized in long jump and sprint and he had kept his eyes especially on the long jump से साधारणतः भाव में long jump ऊपर निजर लक्ष्य धार्य करथिले जे there he could win medal a year before as a university student I would see the world record of 26 feet 8 1 by 4 inches से कहउचंती I would set the world record of 26 feet ए जो record टी से करथिले केतले when or while he was a student in the university as a university student he had already set I had already set the world record of 26 feet 8.1 by 4 inches एतिकी जो record ता से 24 फुट रो गोटे record से already करि दैथिले when he was a student in the university everyone kind of expected me to win that Olympic event hands down माने hands down कहले easily without any kind of effort easily the person just owns would be able or could be able to win the medal for his country everybody or everyone expected from the person Jess Owens athlete थिले अमेरिकार Jess Owens से किछि पदक निश्चित भाव जितबे बोली करी समस्तंकर मन धारणा थिला it was very much easier on the part of me everybody expected from me that I would win medal for my country so in this way we are moving the next paragraph I was in for a surprise when the time came for the long jump trials so the real event was going to be started but before that something it was there in the mind of the person Jess Owens को original event eporjant आसी नथिला and still he had not taken part in the Olympic and a big event he was going to take part गोटे big event रे जाउछन अंशग्रहण करिवा पय I was in for a surprise when the time came for the long jump trials. So it was going to be the trial round, long jump ro trial round आसी जाइतिला वर्तमान, and he was in surprise, टिके surprise अछंदी से आश्चर्यचकित अछंदी कोन हेछि. I was startled to see a tall boy hitting the pit of almost 26 feet on his practice leaps. Practice jump रे leaps कहले jump, practice round बा practice leaps रे the person के जेस बोन्स saw a tall boy, गोटे लंबा बालक बा गोटे लंबा पुओ को बा गोटे लंबा मेल को से देखा पाइले, हु वाज हिटिंग द पिट एट ऑलमोस्ट 26 फीट. गोटे 26 फीट डेउथवा गोटे लोक को से देखा पाइले जे प्रैक्टिस लॉन्ग जंप रे से डेउथला पाखापाखि मोर देन 26 फीट, एंड इट इज नॉट दैट मच इजी टास्क. एंड देयर ही स्ट्राटेल्ड द मीनिंग ऑफ स्ट्राटेल्ड होची सरप्राइज हो जावा, छानिया हो जावा, पैनिक हो जावा, दैट इज स्ट्राटेल्ड, थरी जावा, डरी जावा. द कॉन्फिडेंस वाज गोइंग डाउन एट दैट टाइम. कार जेस वंस गोर केतेबेले डाउन हैला जेतेबेले आसिला लॉन्ग जंप ट्रायल्स, आउ जेतेबेले से देखले व्हेन ही सॉ ए टॉल बॉय हु वाज जंपिंग द पिट एट ऑलमोस्ट 26 फीट ऑन हिज प्रैक्टिस लिव्स. प्रैक्टिस रे जे 26 मोर देन 26 हाइट रे जंप करूथला बा ताकू देखि से थरी गले, डरी गले. He turned out to be a German named Luz Long, and the name of that athlete was Luz Long, another person with whom the person Jess once was going to compete. जार सहित से प्रतियोगी बा प्रतियोगिता करिया पय जाउतले, another person who belonged to Germany, and he was practicing under Adolf Hitler, the ruler and the army of नाजी पार्टी. नाजी पार्टी रो शासक थे अडल्फ हिटलर. अडल्फ हिटलर अंडर रे समस्त प्रकार प्रैक्टिस चलता. तार गोटे एथलेट नाम थिला लूज लोंग जे जर्मन रो थिले. आउ मु तुमको कहूची जेस मोन्स जे थिले अमेरिकार. आउ जेस मोन्स जेतेबेले लूज लोंग को देखिले से ताटका हो गले, कहीं से छानिया हो गले, से सरप्राइज हो गले, कहीं ही वाज हिटिंग द पिट एट ऑलमोस्ट 26 फीट ऑन हिज प्रैक्टिस लिव्स. तार प्रैक्टिस राउंड रे से 26 फीट मोर देन 26 फीट रो से जंप करूथि. ताकू देखि से डरी गले कि जेस वोन्स हु बिलोंग्ड टू अमेरिका, एंड दिस पर्सन लूज लॉन्ग बिलोंग्ड टू जर्मनी. आई वाज टोल्ड दैट हिटलर हैड केप्ट हिम अंडर रॉप्स. घोड़े की रखिबा बा ताकू आवृत करि रखिबा बा सीक्रेटली रखिबा, दैट इज रॉप, WRAP, एविडेंटली होपिंग ही वुड विन द जंप. एंड व्हेन ही सॉ दैट टॉलेस्ट पर्सन और when he saw that tall person or tall man, जेतेबेले देखिले he thought he would win the jump. In this way the confidence of the person just once was going down. तांकर कॉन्फिडेंस ता अति तल स्तर को चल जाइतला जेतेबेले से डेंगा व्यक्ति को देखिथिले, आ जे प्रैक्टिस राउंड रे भलो करथला ताको देखि से तटका हे गले, and in this way he lost his confidence. So I supposed in the next paragraph, I suppose that if long on it would add some new support to the Nazis. Before that, in the beginning I told you the ruler of Germany was Adolf Hitler, and he led the Nazi army बा नाजी पार्टी से मुख्य शासक थिले, आ एकछत्रवाद शासक भाव से परिचित थिले. So and he wanted that his party and the members and the athletes of his country should win the medal for the country, not others he wanted. अन्य माने पदक जितंतु बोलिक से चाहू नथिले, काहेकि तांको देशर एथलेट जितवा द्वारा कौन हम, इट वुड आड न्यू सपोर्ट एंड ए ग्रेट कॉन्फिडेंस टू हिज पार्टी. गोटे प्रकार न्यू सपोर्ट आसीबो, एंड दे विल बिकम मोर स्ट्रांगर. से माने और अधिक शक्तिशाली हेबे. सेथिपई अडल्फ हिटलर चाहूथिले जे तांकर पार्टी समस्ते बा तांकर एथलेट ही पदक जितंतु. किए भावुले कथा लूज लॉन्ग सॉरी भावुले होचीटा किए. I suppose that if long on it would add some new support to the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. I supposed से भावुले किए जेस वंस भावुले जदि लॉन्ग जितंती बा जर्मन रो एथलेट जितंती ताले it would add some new support to the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. नाजी पार्टी को अधिक शक्तिशाली करिवो जदि तांकर एथलेट ही दुनिया रे जितुथिबे. After all, I am a Negro and the person was little bit black. के जेस वंस देखिबा को टिके कला थिले, एंड जाको आम निग्रो बोलिक कहूँ, ए लिटिल हॉट अंडर द कॉलर अबाउट हिटलर्स वे. I determined to go out there and really show dare for her and his master race who was superior and who was not. So dare for her kiye achi in the next page it is mentioned, page number 51. The leader in German used almost exclusively as the epithet of Hitler. So in this way the writer or the author Jace Owens was losing his patience, confidence and the spirit, but later on he determined himself and decided to go out there with all kind of preparations and to beat the other athletes, those who were there as his competitor. And what was going to be done in the next we will. So the writer was feeling embarrassed. Why? The meaning of a little hot under the collar, it means the writer Jace Cleveland Owens was feeling embarrassed. ସେ ହତୋତ୍ସାହିତ ହୋଇଯାଉଥିଲେ because at first he was a Negro and he had come to Germany, and Germany was being ruled by the ruler who was a dictator named the person Adolf Hitler, and that is why it was very difficult task on the part of Jace Owens to play his original game and to perform much better as compared to the German athletes. So that is why it is mentioned hot under the collar, and he was too excited and easily upset, that kind of person he was. And name of the person dare for her it is mentioned, who was the leader in Germany, and he was an epithet for Hitler. Hitlerଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣେ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଭଳି ଗୋଟେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣେ ଲିଡର ଥିଲେ, ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ସଂସ୍ପର୍ଶରେ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ କୁହାଯାଇଛି I determined to go out there and really show dare for her and his master race who was superior and who was not.